Now I'm on my way to Tjæreborg School to drive with Sabine into Esbjerg, and we should drive to Hamburg.
My expansions for this trip. I think this trip will be a very good. Both begin with friends, but also get away from the school and see something else. It is also another way to learn something. The way expenses are high, what we have to do on this trip will you find out in the film. Our first stop was at Fleggaard, where we were on a company visit. It was really interesting to hear about their history, but also how the single looks so economically. Following this meeting, we had to go down and accept in the shop itself. After we had come to Hamburg and hit our rooms, we had to go on the first museum. But the road up was very fun because we live on Rapperbahn, which at night are prostitutes and a lot of sex shops and strip shows. So we have a lot of fun with it.
This is a river one in Hamburg with lots of casinos and colorful stores.
Så du behøver ikke sige noget.
Jo, jeg snakker endnu her. For helvede, Alex!
We came to the first museum. We are going to get a paper with some things we should find around in the museum. I walk together with Nana, Josefine and Anders. We have a lot of fun with find these things because it's more fun if you do it with friends. There was very many old things, clothes, monies, and old houses. So it's very interesting. Here explained Fleming a lot about jets, how they were inside the church and things like that. I was not to hear so much what I said, but it was very fun always. Class had eat together, took 4 boys and Anne out to look on handball with others from the school. I have never been to a handball match, but this was very interesting and expensive. Think there was should be can be such a mode isn't unbelievable. I have a long time ago played handball, but this is very differently. We sat high up and couldn't see it all. Before the players come in, was there a small light show where the people just to warm up. As the players come in into the pitch, people went crazy, clapping and singing on the songs they're playing. But I know that we 4 boys enjoy it well. When we get back to the hotel, when Anders and I explore, we share a room down there, but we should also see the rest of the hotel. So we go around in the hotel until we find an elevator. We begin to play with, but it's not absolutely sure, so we didn't not to try it. But we have it very fun to see around the hotel and play with the elevator. The next day we take a bus out to another kind of museum, Ballenstadt, where we also get a task and follow some people around on the trip. I can't remember so much from Ballenstadt, and the paper we get, I have not more. But I remember it was very interesting and well. But we had a very fun and crazy day out there. We have been on Ballenstadt. We are going back in the city of Hamburg, where we get together with a guide around in Hamburg. He explained a lot of things about the city and the various small cities you can visit in Hamburg. Our guide named Tommy, and it was really sweet. He's spoken almost Germany and a little English for us that understand it better. We walk around with Tommy for 3 hours. When we were inside, I see a wood model like you see here of the city. We were also out and sail in the harbor. After the day program ended, we went to a small group to explore Hamburg city. Anders and I lead the group around in Hamburg, and we always know where we were. Or we almost know where we were. Okay, we thought wild, but Josephine and Michelle, together with them, we found a new way back. We were inside and visit some sex shops, and we look like tourists. In the evening, Reeperbahn light up with red light because people can see the red light and think sex shops and sex and strip, and a lot of prostitutes stay on every corner of the street. Before we drive back to Denmark the last day, we drove because Hamburg Milio Football Stadium. It was very great. Also here we have a guide who should show us around on the stadium and tell us a lot of things about the place and different traditions. All the people was tired because we not have had got off a lot of sleep the last few days, so was laughing at everything and had a lot of fun. As we have promised, Anne, here is a small reunion on your good ball skills. On our bus ride at home, we enjoy ourselves really like a class. We sit down in the bus and we sing for full volume. We have takes some speakers with and sing together like a class. The I class we're driving with begins to be a little tired of us, so we bid not to better to stop. But it was a really canon things at the end of the trip. As you can see, people were really tired at the end, so people quickly fall asleep around in the bus. But they look really cute when they sleep. My personally assessment of the trip, I really think the trip has been too bold. There were of course some place when you get it boring, and I think it's a very hard it take you. We were on only one business visit. We are a business school, so I think that we should visit more companies down there. But on site it was a very interesting trip. So as I see, it was actually much as I had expected this. I really think this trip has broke us together more like a class. People are staying and talking to new people, but the people have to be with each other in a different way. I think it's a very good and has been a perfect trip. So it's all in all a fantastic trip.